Hello, I'm Diana Briscoe with Bridges.Academy, and I'm so delighted to be here with Rachel Ellian Baird. She's a transformational hypnotherapist, yogini, and clairvoyant healer and practitioner teacher. She's also trained at the Berkeley Psychic Institute, and amongst other trainings over 4 decades in the healing arts. I'm so happy that you're here, and I wanted to talk with you about the upcoming happy hour with Bridges.Academy. It's going to be a real treat that you gift us with the clairvoyance, intuition, and physical body filters happy hour, which is this experiential teaching and learning, and I'm really excited about it. I wanted to know more about it and what to expect.
Great. I'm looking forward to it.
So I know this is coming up, and and I'm wondering, there are a lot of people that are interested in clairvoyance and the soul abilities. What are the soul abilities?
So soul abilities are abilities that we naturally have. Every spirit that has a physical body, there are many ways to title that or describe it, but it's basically how, when we integrate into our physicality, what abilities we bring with us, such as clairvoyance, clairsentience, etc.
Yeah.
And everybody can do these things. We channel ourselves. We actually channel the spirit through our body. So, you hear about transmediumship and people that channel. Well, we're all channeling. We're channeling us into the physical body. We're merging our energy into the physical. So those are
wow. Yeah, that's so wonderful. I know that for me, I have a more and more clairsentient or clairaudient. So will we be able to increase the abilities that we aren't strong in, or we're just gonna kind of amplify what we have?
So what I like to do is format all of my teachings as workshops, so they're active and you are actually working your space and improving your awareness and bringing in more of who you are. So we all express differently, just like, some people are born really good at math or gardening. It doesn't mean you can't learn how to garden or can't learn math. It's just some of us it's full on, and everyone else it can be adjusted. It's just a matter of focus and awareness and working on it, really. Some of us are naturally attuned maybe to clairaudience because when we were a baby, that's how we got the most information, or clairsentience because we needed to feel our environment. So sometimes those abilities are on because we needed them and used them already. So we've been kind of leaning on that ability versus another, but we all have all of them. So as we workshop and clear any blocks and learn to adjust your chakras and how you flow energy through them also, then all the abilities turn on. And it's just really about you becoming more of who you really are. Yeah.
Oh, that's wonderful. So we're going to have this wonderful enlightening experience with you, and I'm really excited about it. Thanks for clarifying what we'll be doing. And so what you all have to do is you have to register at the link below, and it's a free workshop. And we're really excited to be spending time with you and have that experience. And it's really, pardon?
I said, I look forward to spending time with all of you as well. Yeah, I look forward to it.
Yeah, thank you. Okay. Well, I will see you soon.
Collective energy. It's always interesting to see who comes to a workshop, and we're all sharing with each other. There's a collective resonance. So that's why workshopping is so amazing, because we can do these things on our own, but when we come together to do it, it's more powerful. The power of the group.
Yes, and there's going to be different experiences depending on the others in the group, energetically.
Yes.
So thank you.
You're welcome.
So you all don't want to miss this. You all don't want to miss this, and we're going to also uncover, healing with the chakras and all these good things. But Rachel has a more profound, deeper healing methods with clairvoyance and also the chakra system. So I'm really excited to experience that. So
Great.
thank you.
You're
Okay,
welcome.
I'll see you soon at the workshop.
Yes, see you all soon.
Sorry. Oh no. Sorry.
It's still recording. It's okay. She can edit it.
Okay.
Oh, you turned your camera off.
Okay. Okay. So here, I was trying to hit. Right. Let's see.
Just
Okay.
stop recording.
Yes.